Beauty, it has been said, is in the eye of the beholder, but sometimes it can be found in the palm of your hand. The VITA Easyshade Compact elevates the art of shade matching to new levels of control, ease, and accuracy. Powerful, sophisticated, simple to use, time-saving, reduces errors, gives great results. This is the latest generation of shade matching technology from VITA, the Easyshade Compact.
Hello, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Easyshade Compact and some of the benefits that you should consider before you purchase. The advantages are endless, frankly. What we have is over 9 years experience with our electronic shade taking devices from VITA to assure optimal shade results. Have you thought about a potential remake if you were using shade guides now? Potentially that could be at least an hour of your chair time. Half an hour to reseed the patient, remove the temporaries or whatever the crowns were, and then reshade. This can easily equate and pay for Easyshade itself if you had 2 of those just happen in 1 month. The Easyshade is really of interest because it will take shades excluding the lighting conditions of your environment. This is a huge advantage because often when we're taking shades using shade guides, we find that we'll have different selections. You or your team members will often pick different shades. And probably you're all correct, but the thing is it's the angle that you're looking at the patient plus the lighting conditions. Well, think of this as a partner in your office. This removes the uncertainty. First of all, of course, it's cordless. And you're basically free to move around the surgery or dental office to your heart's desire. So it's a very interesting tool and could be positioned in the hygienist area. Could you imagine when your patients come in for a cleaning, the hygienist could possibly use this and take the measurement of that patient's tooth, opening up a very, very good, a very nice way of opening up a conversation to talk about treatment planning and treatment options. The product has a 2-year parts and label warranty and of course endless technical support by calling our toll-free number. There is no moving parts, there's no heat, this will not cure composite resin. It is a favourable white LED, it's very cool, this will not heat up the pulp of a tooth. And as you can see by the shape of it, you can actually use it in the posterior region, which is a huge advantage. Another advantage of the Easyshade is that you can also output the shade data. In other words, if I take a shade, on the back of the device is a small USB, and with it comes some software that allows you to output the shade and make a prescription. Take a shade of a patient and then highlight in the middle which mode you wish to see. Do you wish to see a CEREC block that's pertinent to the shade you've taken? Because this machine will do it. All you have to do is measure the tooth and then you have the selection whether you want to see which is the most appropriate block for CEREC applications that matches that patient, or you can navigate back in the history and see what shades have been taken previously. Everything is in the palm of your hand. VITA blocks, of course, are specifically shaded to the VITA shade guides, both classical and 3D, and the appropriate block, as you can see, is recommended. The Easyshade can also be left in this mode and used solely as a shade taking device for each block. You'll enjoy the means of taking shades, whether it's first thing in the morning at 6 AM or whether you're seeing patients late in the day. Your eye fatigue will be far less stress placed upon you because this device will overtake that necessity. For instructions or further advice, please contact Patterson or indeed Vident for further assistance. I thank you.